This is Sebastian. He's been named on the off chance he's a boy. He is now 18 days old. And look. Give me, baby. Look at all the feathers. Wow. Alright, sweetie. Alright. Alright. Yes. He just ate. He's trying to perch in my hand to go to sleep. Alright, baby. Turn around, let's see it. Oh, look, tail feathers. Alright. Let's go to sleep.